If you are not understood yesterday's class, again we'll repeat today also. Okay, just tell me what we discussed. Mm-hmm. Yes, you heard yesterday's class or not? You understood or not? Yesterday's class. Otherwise, we'll repeat. Hmm? Sada Pavan. Yeah, Sada. Okay, I will repeat. Okay. Yesterday we discussed about subqueries, right? Okay. What is subquery? Hmm? One query output will pass to input to the other query. Okay, means inner query is there, right? Whatever we are calling subquery, that is we can say inner query. That output will be passed to the another query. That query will take the inner query result as the input, and it will fetch the records from the main query. Okay, that is called. Yeah, I'm not sharing anything. Okay, that is called subquery. Definitions and all doesn't matter. Okay, you can write in your own words. Nobody will ask for the definitions and all. Everybody will expect only queries. Okay, so query or inner query or nested query, we can say anything for that name. That query result will be passed to the another query. Okay, say like this is inner query. This result will be passed to the another query. Okay, this query will get the result and will display or will do the insert or any operation with this outer query. Here it may here I have written select statement only, but if we want we can do any DML operations also, like insert, update, delete, anything. We can do anything. Okay, here that way in where class we should use that in subqueries and all. Okay, syntactically doesn't matter. Okay, I will tell the queries and all. Okay, for that I have taken example two tables. One is marks table and student table. Okay, student table containing student number, student name, which standard he is studying, his address, and his school. Like that, I have taken the table contents. Okay, table columns, and I have inserted the data for the table. Okay, I have inserted eight records. Okay, these people are studying in Hyderabad, and yeah, that institution has BRS. Okay, these four students are studying in Hyderabad institute as a high tech. Like that, I have inserted the records, and I have taken one more table called marks table, which contains student number, subject, marks. If you are considering Here we are having one common column called student number. Okay, means we are storing only marks and his subjects, how many marks he got in the each subject, that we are storing in the marks table. Rest of the details, one time details, whatever is there, that I am maintaining in the student table. Okay, for that I have taken the three subjects like Oracle, Java, Unix. Okay, like that I have taken three subjects and inserted the records. Okay, I have inserted for all the eight students. Okay, based upon the IDs, subject and his marks. Okay, like that I am inserted. Let's see. Okay, now I am having the student details, eight student details I am having, and marks I am having for all the students. Okay, all the subjects and everything I am having. Now, okay, I need marks in the subject Java for the student Ganesh. Okay, I am having Ganesh details in student table. Okay, but I know the person details, but I don't know the student number. Okay, but I need subject Java marks for him. Okay, how I will do? Simply, I will I will get the Ganesh student number, since we are having the student number in the marks table, that we know. We are having three columns only: student number and subject and marks. Okay, rest of the details we don't know. Student name and all everything, that is maintaining in different table. Okay, that's why what I am doing, first I will fetch the student number for the Ganesh. Okay, and my requirement is what I need: Java marks. Okay, how many marks he got in Java, that I need. So what is our syntax, what is our query formation? See, first we should have the from class. Okay, now we'll see that how we'll form the query. Which table we are having? We need marks, right? Java marks. So marks will be there in the marks table. So that's why I will directly write the marks table. Okay, from class. Okay, where means I need Java marks. Okay, how I can write the condition? I am subject, right? Subject is the Java. So that's why I have mentioned the subject equal to Java. Okay. Next, I need one more thing is I need only for the Ganesh. Ganesh, we don't know. We don't have the student name in the marks table. So what we are doing, we know one thing, that student details are there in the student table. So that's why what I did. First, I will before going to execute this table, this query, what I will do, first I will fetch the student details. Okay, you can check outside how it will, whether it is fetching the details correctly or not. Okay, see, first you can execute. See, it is fetching the student number. Okay, my query is correct. Okay, that I will pass as a input to the outer query. Okay, you are getting or not my point? Okay, see, this student number I am passing dynamically. See, even we can first fetch the outer query result. Okay, that you can do hard code also here. Okay, this will work, but I don't want to do like that. I don't want to do in two steps. I want to do in single step. Okay, simply what I can do, simply I can pass this result to the this outer query. Okay, this entire thing called subquery. Now I am getting the Java mask for the student number 2. Who is student number 2 in the student table? He is Ganesh. Okay, you are getting or not, Subbu? Yeah, Shravani, you are getting right. I'm repeating yesterday's class.
Yes, okay.
Okay. Now, can anybody tell me? I need Unix marks for the Sada.
In the place of Java, you can enter Unix.
Okay. The place of subject we can Java we can mention Unix. Okay. How I will get the student number for the Sada? Just see and tell me. Above query is there, right? Same thing, right? Just need to change the name. Okay, simple. This is very simple. Just already I have discussed. Same thing I asked just by interchanging the names and subject. Okay. Now I need all Unix marks for all the students. How I can get? Till this one, I am getting only one student details for Sada or Ganesh like that. But I need all the students. Hello? I need I need all the students. Subject will be Oracle. How many marks all the people got? That details I want. How I can write that query? Simply we can remove this filter, right? Instead of specifying the particular person, I can say for all the details. I can pass all the student numbers here. Correct, right?
Yes.
Okay. Can anybody tell me how I can write that query? First, I need all the student numbers. How I will write that query?
Select star from
Select star from
serial number.
serial number. Okay. Instead of star, you are telling serial number. Okay.
From student.
Student. Okay. Now I got the all the student numbers. Okay. For these people, I need marks, right?
You
With
can put it serial number, comma marks.
serial number, comma marks. Okay. Okay. Serial number, comma marks from marks table. You are asking, right?
There is a student table only, right? In this, all records will be placed in student table only, right?
No. Actually, I am maintaining the marks in separate table. Marks table only.
Okay, got
Okay. Only student details I am storing in student table. Marks is storing in different table. Okay. Let's see. MK, right? Column name. I can get all the marks. But now, actually, marks table containing other institution details also. Let's assume. Okay. Here, as of now, eight students are there. Eight student details are I'm maintaining in this one. Let's assume I am maintaining other institution details also. Nine. Okay. Uh, it is maintaining other student details also, which are not present in the student table. Okay. Now I am containing 27 records. I need whoever whose details are having in the student table, only for those students only I need the marks. How I will get?
We'll go with distinct.
Sorry.
We'll go with the distinct. No.
Okay, select distinct. Yes, select distinct. I need marks.
Okay. We need only marks.
Yeah, I don't want any student details also. But whoever whose details I am having in the student table, only for those students only I need the marks for all the subjects. I can say.
Yes.
First I can get the student number details, right? Student numbers, because in student mass table containing only student numbers, right? So first what I will do, first I will fetch the student numbers from which table?
Student.
Student tables. Okay, even we can get the student details from marks also, but for us required whose details are having in the student class, only for those for us required, right? So we need to first fetch the student numbers from the student table. Okay, if we are having the duplicates in this table, we can mention simply distinct also. Okay, no matter whether you are using or not, anyway it will take. Okay, next. Okay, what I need, actual requirement is what? I need marks. Okay, all the subjects, right? So simply I can say select star from which table marks is containing marks. Correct, right? Now I can able to fetch the all the subjects and along with the student numbers. But I don't want these details because we don't have these records, right? For 9 and 10 IDs we don't have the data in student table. So what we
Where
can
marks
do?
equal to where MK equal to null.
Where
Where MK equal to
equal to
where MK is null.
mk is null, what it will return?
Is not null. Is not null. If it is not null, null records will not place here.
Okay, none,
So
none,
entire
okay,
records will
that's
not.
okay, yeah. Now that's okay, but 10th details are there, right? 10th details still I don't have the details in the student table. Till 8 only I am having the data. I need 10th. I don't want 10th details.
Serial number.
Even here also, let's say this one, right? I need, if I mentioning null means what is that meaning? He is absent. He is not written that exam. Okay, I can consider like that. Can I consider?
Yes, of course, because
But
there
I
is
need
no.
all the details. Whether he is written or not doesn't matter. But for me required complete details. Okay, so we may not use this, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Now what I will do? I have student numbers. Okay, I have data marks in the marks table, but I need only whose details are having in the student table. Only for those I need.
Of course, we need to go with join.
Yeah, yeah. Let's will discuss after this class joins. As of now, we discussed only subqueries. That's why I'm telling in subqueries. As of now, not mentioned, not explained about joins. Let's go with this subqueries only till that time.
Uh,
Okay.
of course, we can write a query in a subquery where we placing the where suppose where subject equal to
Subject. No, I need all the subject marks.
so need also we can say with go ahead with the serial number,
Yes, serial number.
where serial number equal to
Mm.
subquery.
Yeah.
In subquery, we need to filter out from student, right?
Yes.
So select the star or distance from serial number from student.
Okay. We can write that one.
So
Yeah.
where serial number will match, only those records will come into the from student to marks, I think so.
Yeah. Let's see what will happen. Okay. It's correct only, but still I'm getting error.
Very
Single row subquery returns more than one row. What does mean? Means what equal operator will do? It will compare only one left value and one right value. But actually we are getting number of records from the student, right? Number of student s numbers are more. Okay, we are getting more. So what we can do for that, we need to change the operator. Instead of equal to, we can use in operator. Okay, now I will get the all the marks for the whoever whose details are I'm having in the student table. For them I got all the records. Okay. Now, my requirement is for Ganesh, I need total marks. I don't know student number, but I need total marks. First, how I can get the Ganesh
select
details.
star from student.
Select star from student. Okay, let's see.
Where student name or select
Sorry,
star from student. Where S name equal to Ganesh.
where s name equal to
Ganesh.
Ganesh. Okay, what happened? Yes. Okay, now I am having the details of Ganesh details. Okay, now I need total marks of Ganesh. Okay, I am having marks in which table?
Okay.
Select star from marks. Okay, so what is the relation between student and marks? Only I am having the details S number only, right?
Yes.
So what I can do?
Of course, inside the subquery, we need to write.
Yes, okay, we can do subquery. Now, before that, we'll check one more thing. I need my requirement is what? I need total marks for the Ganesh. Okay, how I can do total marks for the Ganesh?
Of course, where the serial number will match, those we need to place.
Okay, let it be that one. Ganesh details we can give later. But how I can calculate the total marks student wise? Just first discuss with that first.
Student wise, total marks.
Yeah, I need student wise total marks, right?
Yes.
That we'll discuss. The Ganesh details I need, Ganesh total marks only I need. That we'll discuss after this one. Before that, we can discuss about how I can get the total marks student wise. If I write the select sum of marks means I will get the total marks for the all the students. But I don't want. I need student wise total marks. Directly I am telling student wise need total marks. Which class we need to use in this case?
Of course, distance.
Distinct. What distinct will do? Select distinct.
Sorry, it will place only one type of how many numbers.
Yeah. I need to group the students, right, first. Then only I can able to do the sum.
Group by.
Yeah. Select first what we need to write first. First we need to write the from clause. If you are start if you are making the query means first you will write the after that select you should write the from class. Okay. That's which table we need to get the marks and all marks table, right? Okay. We are doing the group by. Okay. Based on which column we can do that one.
Where serial number.
Yes. Where are group by?
First we need to mention as a where, right? Where condition before that group by we need to mention where.
Okay. Where? Okay. S number equal to
For all, right? We need to get.
yes. Already I have written here, right? Same thing.
Uh,
For all the students, these things. Okay, simply I can write this one as a query. So now I can get the all the student mark. Okay, all the student
Student.
informations means all the student numbers from the student class, student table. Okay, now my requirement is what? I need to get the details only for the Ganesh, right?
Yes.
Simply what I can do, I can add the filter where I'm having the Ganesh details. We know student detail, student name only, but I don't know serial number. That's why we are writing this query. So here itself we need to mention that, right? Where we are having the student name only in the student table. So here we can apply the where class here where its name equal to Ganesh. Okay. Now what I am getting? I am getting the student number of the Ganesh. Okay, that output I am passing to the marks table. Now let's come to my requirement. My requirement is total number of marks for the student Ganesh. Okay, how I will get that total numbers, total number of marks.
Group by.
Okay, group by.
Um, Ganesh and column, like we need to merge the all marks, right? So of course MK.
Group by MK. What it will return? It will group the this one, right? Marks group. Marks only it will group. But I need student wise total marks. I
Student.
need that time. Then I need to make the group this serial number only, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, I need to go. So how I can get that total marks?
Order by.
Order by what?
Having maximum marks.
Having maximum marks. What it will return? Hmm? What having will do?
Having work like a like operator.
Yeah. Having what it will do after making the group. If you want any filter again on top of that your aggregated values. Okay, that time you will go with the having class. I am not asking any filters after grouping. I need just some total number of marks for the student. Okay, so I am not using any filter. So simply I will remove this one. Simply I can write the sum of marks, right? It will work, right?
Yeah.
I got the total marks for the student Ganesh. Even if we are not specifying group by also, it will work here because I am fetching only one student details, right? Okay, I am fetching only one student, so no need to make that group. Okay, I want for all the students. Okay, that time we'll add the group by. whose details I am having in the student. For those students, I need total marks by student wise. Okay, that time I will mention the student number, comma, sum of marks. I need to specify columns, right? I need to specify the student numbers in the select statement. So now I got for first student I got total marks is 240. For second student 220. Third student 220. Fifth student student number 5 90. Sixth student 59. Okay, for seventh student null. Why? Because he absent for all the exams. Okay, sorry, not this one. Seven, this one. Okay, eighth he got 272. Now I need one more requirement I will give. Select star from marks. I am having this many number of records. In this one, who I don't consider the absent students. Okay, he absented. He absent, right? In Unix exam, he not written.
Yes.
He was not written, right? And Java also not written. Okay, I will ignore those details. Only whoever I attended all the exams, that too, that student details are there in student table. Only for them required total marks. How I can write? Just above query only.
Yes, yes. Just we
But
need to
just I am telling, I am asking one more thing here. I need to ignore the, if he not written the exam, I should ignore those details. Hmm?
of course we need to mention as a is not null where the uncondition we need to mention
Where?
document
Here, right? Yeah,
where
yeah. Where?
MK
MK
is
is
not null
not null.
and
Okay, and
the serial number is
yeah,
same.
that is okay. Already there in this one. Let's see what I will get. What I can get. Actually, I am having fifth. Okay, for fifth student, Unix he has not written, but with this query, I am getting still fifth. Okay, even I can see other seventh. Okay, he absented all the exams. That's why in this result it's not there. Okay, that I will accept with this with your condition. But student number 8, yeah, he written all the exams. Yeah, sixth student and fifth student details still I am getting in this query. Those two peoples are not written one exams, right? He not written two exams, he not written one exam. So I should not consider these two records. How I can do that one? Just need to change here. How I can ignore this one? Not null, we can say for if mass is null, that we can do that one. Okay, but I am considering entire that group itself not required. Okay, you can change my requirement. Now in this one, whose total is more than 200, only for them, for those details are required. How I can write?
We can mention uh, this total, right?
Yeah, total. I don't want to consider this 90 and 59. I need only total should be more than 200.
Where some MK greater than 200.
Where
Sum of MK, like
sum
two
of
MK
mk
equation greater than
greater than
200.
200. Is it work?
I think
Group function is not allowed here. Why? You are doing group. You are doing group.
yes, yes.
Okay. Here it won't allow. Here what it will do? It can take built-in functions, but not the group functions. That is a syntactically it's error. I need filter after making the group. Which class I can use? Hmm? Just now somebody told after making the group, if if we want the group filter, which class we need to use?
Having class, I thought.
Yeah, having. Okay, okay, having. Having. What can write? I need total marks should be more than 200.
Having greater than 200.
Sum of marks greater than 200.
More marks greater than 200. Yes, it will work. So my requirement is fine, right? Can anybody tell me what is the
You
error?
need to close the bracket.
Where? This one, right?
After 200.
Yeah. Just result what let it be. So let's check our requirement. I need total marks. Okay, student wise. Okay, that for that I have written the I need to do group by first and need to make the aggregation. Okay, with sum that I am written. Condition is what? Whoever whose details I am having in the student table only for them. So that I will be add in the filter class. Okay. Next, another my requirement is what? That total sum should be more than 200. Simply I can write the having class. Okay. Now my requirement is apart from this one, I need that student details descending order, marks wise.
We can use order by class.
Okay, order by
Order by marks, DESC.
marks DES. Marks means here MK, right? Let's see what will happen. Still not getting. Why? I should use order by actually with the whatever I'm having in the select statement. Only I should use the those those values only, right? Correct, right? If I pass this one, it will work. Okay. I should mention here only select statement what we are using. Okay, because group by is there. If you are doing group by means it will take only those things only here order by. If you are mentioning this one means we cannot take marks here. We can take group by value, but we cannot take the marks. If you want marks means you need to specify here as well, and the meaning will get changed here. Okay, we are grouping student number and marks. Okay, that doesn't make sense. So simply I can write whatever I am having here, that I can mention here. So even we can specify the second column. Okay, whatever is there here, that I can mention here. Even this will also work. Okay, now I need for each student maximum marks in which subject he got. Okay, I will repeat yesterday class only. I won't take new. I won't discuss anything new. I will explain yesterday's class only because yesterday is very important. Subqueries. Okay. My requirement is I need maximum marks in which subject each student got. I can say this one. See. First student number one, he got highest marks in Unix. That details I need. For second students, he got highest marks in Java. That details I need. For student three, he got highest marks in Java. That details I need. Rest of the records I don't want. Like that, for each student wise, I need maximum marks. That too, the details will be there in the student table. Only for those students I need. How I can write? First, how I can get the maximum marks? First, that tell me.
family marks table.
Yeah. Select what we can write. Student number wise. Okay, that will do. From which table we are having the we can get the marks details. Marks table. Okay, marks. Okay. Next, yeah, I need student wise. So what we can write? Simply we can write a group by student number. Okay. Now what I need? Student wise maximum marks. Yes, yes number, comma. How I can write that one? Student wise maximum marks means max of MK. Okay. Now what I can get? I can get all the details. Okay. He got, okay. Subject we don't know. Okay. But I can get the maximum marks. Okay. I told right this one marks. Let it be that other columns. I can able to get the Unix. He got highest marks 90. For second student he got 90 in Java. Let it be subject. Okay. That I will add one more thing in that I will change the requirement, that I will get the details. Okay. Now for third student he got highest marks in Java, 90. For fifth student, okay, he got highest marks in 60 in Java. That details I need. So that it is returning. But problem here is I am getting highest values. Even I don't have the data for the ninth and 10th, right, in the student table. So what I can do? I can filter only for the whoever whose details I am having in the student. Only for that I need, right. Simply I can filter that. Okay, for filtering, what we can do? How I can get the details, student details? That should be present in student table, right? Simply I can write this one, right? Student number should be there in the student table. Okay. Simply we can add this condition. So now my requirement is match, right? Okay. So now I can able to get the student wise highest marks. Okay. But see, by seeing this one, null is not the marks, right? It's a nothing. I need to ignore this one. How I can do that one? let's here I am having 8 records only. Let's I am having 1 million records like this. Okay. So in few places maximum marks means that student absent all the subjects. Okay, not written any exam. Okay, so those details I don't want. How I can do that one? After making the group, I am expecting null should not be there. After making the group, how I can filter? Having, okay. Having, hmm? Having. Previously, I have written, we've written this query,
not
right?
equal to null.
Which one?
Not
MK is not Allah.
is not null may not work right.
Not null, sir.
Huh?
Is not null.
Is not null. Let's see what will happen. See, it's not the group by. Why?
We can say not equal to null only other than null we can
Not equal to null. What does mean? You are saying this one, not the group by function, right? Why? What having class will take? It will like aggregated value only, right? Already we discussed it, right? It will take only aggregated value. So what I can write here? Earlier I have taken total marks here. So same thing I am using here as well. Any aggregated value you can use here, right? Okay. Simply can I use this one? It's aggregated value only, right? Aggregated means not only some average. Okay, we are having min max also aggregated values only. Min max count. Okay, simply I can write. Is it work? It won't work, right? It should
is
be.
not null.
Is not. Same query I can write in different way. Without using having class also we can write. Can anybody tell me? Anybody try that one? Same query. Just change the logic. Simple logic. If you ignore the marks here itself means it won't come into picture, right? You can filter here itself. My requirement is marks should not be null. Means I can ignore here itself, right? Where MK is not null. And this one. Let's see what I can get this one. Will
Not
come.
allow. We'll do by
I am ignoring the marks here itself. Rest of the things same. Okay. So now I'm getting same thing, right? We are getting or not? Okay. Now I will ask one more question. I need subject wise who got the highest marks.
subject wise.
Subject wise who got the highest marks.
Select
Select
max MK
Max MK
from marks
from marks.
where serial number
Where serial number In.
select serial number
Okay. Select serial number from
from
student
student.
table. Okay.
We get maximum marks where we got matching from
Okay.
student.
Now I got total. Okay. But I need subject wise.
Subject wise, uh, you can put it distance.
Where? Here.
Okay.
What distinct will do?
No, distance may not know from MK table.
Yes.
So these are all subject marks.
Hmm? I need earlier I have taken the student wise, right?
Yes.
Now I am expecting subject wise highest marks who got. First I can how I can get the subject wise highest marks.
Subject wise, select the chart from suppose we written the query.
We will get all the details that time.
We can maintain uh, subquery in the student table, like we already written the right.
Yes.
So and we can mention in that query.
Yes. Okay. And
Not here I think, because
hmm.
student mark subject where it will be available in the student table, right?
Yeah. Okay. I will change my requirement simply. How I can get the subject wise highest marks. That student details will let's see after that.
Okay.
Okay. Now I need only subject wise highest marks.
Okay, select the subject.
Select subject. Okay.
Not here. We can write a new query because we are getting something new, right? So,
This is correct only, right?
subject not in the marks. Okay,
Yeah. Subject wise maximum marks.
perfect. So subject wise maximum marks, pay serial number from the student. Perfect. We written the query.
Is it work?
Subject wise, we get marks per marks for the each
How we
student.
can get the subject wise? It's not the single group function, which I what we are missing here.
Okay, we can mention group by shift.
Group by subject. Okay. Now I got the subject wise highest marks. Okay, Oracle one person got 99, Java one person got 91, Unix one person got 90. Okay. Now I need that student details. Okay, for that we can write joins and all, self joins and all. That we'll see after that. Even we can write in the subqueries also, but it will make little complex. This this query I will explain. Okay. Now I got the maximum marks. Okay. I need the student details. Okay. How I can write student details where I'm having student only, right?
Yes.
From student. Okay. First I will select all the columns for checking purpose. Okay. Now what we can write here where I need subject, right? I need student number since where I'm having the details only student numbers. Okay, yes, number in select yes number from marks. It doesn't make sense, but just for me meeting the requirement, I'm telling, just making the complex. Okay, I am getting all the all the mass details here. Okay, student details I'm getting. Now what I need that mark should be this one, right? Let it subject I don't want. Okay, marks I need S number, right? We cannot write that also. Subject only. Which table I am having the marks table, right? Select star from marks. Where MK in. Can I write this one? Entire query I will pass to the marks table. Okay, means only I will get three records this time. Why it is not taking? Since I am passing the subject. Okay, so that I can ignore, and still I am doing the group by with subject. Okay, so now I will get the first student got 90 in the this first sorry, in units. Second student I got in 90 in Java. Third student, okay, Java 90 marks he got. Now what our requirement is student details each subject. Okay, I need to make subject wise maximum marks I got, whoever got those details. But here still we are missing something. 90 we are got in different. Okay, actually he got marks in, okay, 99, 91, 90. It is not giving that one actual result. Okay, wait, see. Logically we can implement with this one also. We can fetch this marks in marks table, right? 99, 91, 90. Actually 90 we got many students in other subjects also. Actually this should be Oracle, this should be Java, this should be Unix. Okay, so simply we can say we can pass one more condition here. Subject column also we can pass. We can write multiple columns here. Okay, for this example only I'm telling this one. Subject and maximum marks. If it is matching means student details will get right here. Okay, now our requirement is matching, right? Student details we are fetching. Subject should be equal. Okay, Unix somebody got 90 highest marks. Oracle somebody got 99. Who? That eighth. Okay, and eight he got Java 91. That's why I am getting this one. Okay, you are getting or not?
Yes, yes.
This example why I am telling we can use multiple columns in the where class. This will work. Okay, here we can earlier what we did simply we are taking the S number single column and comparing here. Okay, but I need subject wise, right? That's why I am making two columns at a time. Since I am fetching the details from single table only, from marks only I am getting. Okay, now I can able to get the all the student details. Now actually student details are storing where student details student table, right? Where S number in this one. So instead of S number mass, can I pass entire thing here? Instead of star, can I mention S number here? S number only. Now I am getting the details, right? Let it be total marks, sorry, maximum marks, subjects and all, we can ignore. But just I need the student details. Can I pass simply here, same, this one? Entire subquery result as a input query, input result, okay? Now I can get the highest marks, who got the in each subject. Sada got highest marks A. Krishna got highest marks. But subjects I have not mentioned here. Let it be. For if we want subject means again we will go for the joins and all that we'll discuss tomorrow. As of now, what we discussed with that only I am getting. Okay. You are clear or not?
Yeah, clear.
In this one, anybody have any doubt? Hmm? Please tell me. See, we need to increase our complexity going forward. If you are understanding this one, next query, whatever we are taking, our requirement should be little complex. Like that, we can increase our complexity so that we can able to understand easy everything. Okay, see in this one, how many subqueries are there? Here one subquery came. Here one subquery came. Already enter this one as a subquery. So we can write n number of queries also. Okay. Here I have mentioned only student and marks. Okay. If we are joining 100 tables, we can write n number of queries also like this, right? Just we need to go step by step. Okay. What is first requirement? What we can think first? What we can write next? Simple. I will explain this query one more time. Okay. First, what my requirement is subject wise highest marks. Okay. See, what I will do, select how I can write the subject wise maximum marks. Select, let it be first I will write the marks table. Okay. Subject wise, group by subject. Okay. Maximum marks. Okay. How I can write subject comma max of marks. Okay. Now I am getting the subject wise maximum marks. Let it be this one as a one result set. Okay, that we can store somewhere. Okay, next, what I need student details. Student details will be there in the where student. Okay, but what we can do, here I don't have the student number, but student table contain only what details, only student details. We can able to get with the student number only. So how I can get the student number? So simply I can pass again from the marks table only. So how I can write select star from marks table only, where what I can write subject and this details, right? Here you can mention subject. I am having subject and marks details, right? Subject and marks. Okay, I will compare the values with this result. I am having multiple values, not the equal values. That's why I will use in class. Okay, this input I will enter input will pass to the where class. Okay, what does it will return? Here it will return the subject wise highest marks along with the student number. Okay, only for the student number only I got the this. I am running this query. So what I am having in the to a student table, only I am having student number. This Unix and this we cannot pass in the we cannot pass to the student table. That's why what I can do, I will do only s number here instead of taking the all the details. So what we can do, simply I will write this one. Okay, I can get the these details. Okay, next my requirement is what, actually I need student details. Where it is there, select are from student. Okay, if I execute it means I can get the all the student details, but I don't want all the details. Whoever getting the highest marks, only for them I need. Okay, see what does it will return. So I am getting only two employees, 1 and 8. Okay, This I can pass to the student table where S number. I am having multiple values, right? So simply I can mention this one. Okay. Already I'm having bracket. Okay. S number means S. No. Okay. Now I'm getting the student details. Simple. You are getting or not? Yesterday class only I repeated. Today I have not discussed anything newly. Why? Because you people should understand. That's why. As a developer, it should mandatory to write the subquery and joins. If you are very good at these two things, means that's enough. You can survive entire life with this SQL. Main thing, as per subject, I will tell you. You should aware of these two only. Other topics doesn't matter. The other topics may be just for your interview clearance and all only, but actual work will be completely on these things only. Okay, built-in functions. Okay, null, group by having, along with joins and subquery. Max 80% work will be only with this one only. Rest of the things, just you can get anything from Google. Okay, even you can get the logics also for built-in functions and all. But usage should be, you have to know. You should know this one. How you can use the joins, group by sub, where, when we can go for the subquery, when we can go for the joins, when we can go for the group by, when we go for the having, when we will use null functions and all. This is the mandatory. If you know these five topics clear, you can easily survive in the your career. Rest of the topics, see syntax only, doesn't matter. We can get the Google it and we can get that any all the information. But usage of these things, you have to take care. Even I don't know for syntaxes for all the topics, but doesn't matter. Usage should be, you have to know. Okay, do practice more, then you can get more idea on these topics. You can build the logics yourself. Okay, can I continue or do I need to stop here? Hello, can I close? Yeah, yesterday videos I have not shared, I guess. Okay, today I will download and will share you. Okay, all the people. Okay, shall we close the class? Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, if anybody have doubts, you can call me, or we can discuss now itself if you want, if you can able to stay here. Hmm? No doubts, right? Today's class. Say yes or no from everybody.
My side, there is no problem.
Okay. Shravani, Sada, Pavan.
Slow sir.
Okay. Okay, then we close the call.